Hi there, Market Watcher. Welcome to step 4 in our 10 steps to success, indicators and overlays. If you're an active trader or investor, this is where your charts come alive. Indicators and overlays are powerful tools in SharpCharts that layer on top of your price data to reveal deeper insights like momentum, trends, and overbought and oversold conditions. They're essential for refining your technical analysis, helping you time your trades more accurately and make more confident decisions. I love how they turn basic charts into sophisticated strategies, and I'm excited to show you how to add them today. Indicators and overlays, an overview. Building on the SharpCharts basics from step 3, indicators and overlays are customizable add-ons found below the chart attributes section. Overlays plot directly on the price chart, like moving averages to smooth trends, while indicators appear in separate panels below, like the RSI to measure relative momentum strength and overbought and oversold conditions. Why add them? They quantify market behavior, helping you spot reversals, confirm trends, or identify entry and exit points with data-backed precision, reducing guesswork and boosting your edge in volatile markets. Selecting overlays. Let's start with overlays. Scroll to the Overlays section below the chart. Click the drop-down and take a look at the various overlays we offer. You'll notice that they are organized into categories, including bands, type, comparisons, moving averages, support and resistance, trends, volume, and other. Think about what it is you'd like to see on your charts when you do your technical analysis. Personally, I like tools that demonstrate support and resistance, volume, and the trend. Think about what you're looking for. To test one out, select something like Simple Moving Average, otherwise known as an SMA, and start off with a default parameter of 50. This will give you a 50-period simple moving average on your chart. Then, click around in the style and color settings to see how you can adjust your view. Watch how it appears on the price candles, acting as dynamic support or resistance. If you're like me, I like having multiple moving averages on one chart so that I can compare the trend across various periods. Continue adding additional overlays, like more simple moving average lines, using the 100 and 200 parameters. So now you have a 50, 100, and 200 SMA on one chart. Continue until you have your chart looking how you'd like it. Why the 50 SMA? This is a critical level that investors and traders use to determine support and resistance. A break above this level could be a buy signal, whereas a breakdown below on high volume could be a sell signal. This is game-changing because it visually confirms price action, helping you avoid false moves and helping you capitalize on real trends. After you're done adding moving averages, try adding popular tools like the VWAP or the Bollinger Bands. After you have the top portion of your chart appearing the way you'd like, let's move on to indicators. Selecting indicators. Now for indicators. Head to the indicators section. Indicators can be placed in multiple locations on the chart, including above, below, or behind price. Indicators are organized into various categories, including comparison, momentum, oscillators, money flow, statistical, relative strength, trend, volatility, volume, and more. Think about what kinds of patterns you'd like to see on your charts. Let's start with an example using a popular tool, the TTM squeeze. This is a tool that measures compressed volatility that's ready to break out. Choose TTM squeeze from the drop-down to add it. Check out where it populates on your chart and adjust the position to select if you want it above or below other indicators and the color scheme if you wish. Then update. It adds a new panel below the chart, demonstrating how momentum shifts and when price is consolidating versus breaking out. Why focus here? This is an indicator that can give you a heads up that a big directional move may be coming. Traders use it for short-term plays and investors for portfolio adjustments. At this point, you can continue adding additional indicators on your charts. For example, you could add the MACD that identifies convergences and divergences, StockCharts proprietary scooter lines for relative strength, and more to continue deepening your analysis even further. Customizing parameters, style, and colors. This is where you can get very technical. The parameters for each overlay and indicator are set at default settings, but they can be adjusted if you'd like to use custom settings instead. Keep in mind that you can change the style for your overlays for better viewing, and change the color to better fit the color scheme you selected for your charts. This can help make your tools pop. Remember, you can always go back and adjust your overall chart color scheme in your chart attributes section as well. As you continue adding tools, feel free to adjust the position of your indicators on your chart so that you can get the view you're looking for. Saving your work. Remember how we saved our work in step 3 by creating a default chart style? Let's add on to the work we've already done and update our default setting to include the indicators and overlays we've added. To do this, navigate to just below the chart where you see the chart styles line with your custom chart style name, plus the Save a Chart Style button and the Set as Default button. Click on the Set as Default button to update your default chart. Because you have an existing chart style, make sure you have Update Existing highlighted at the top, along with the name of your chart style selected. Make sure the star button is highlighted in orange to notate that this is your default chart. Then hit Update Existing Chart Style. This way, when you use the Create a Chart bar at the top of the website, your chart will appear with the default settings you have selected. If you're still adjusting and not prepared to create default settings, keep customizing and using the top left-hand symbol box to type in a different ticker to view to continue using the same settings you've just created. But if you happen to navigate away from your favored view and want to locate your saved chart style again, simply click the drop-down menu and find the chart style labeled with a star. This one is your favorite default chart style. Click on this chart and continue adjusting it as you like, setting it as the default each time you make a change. In the next video, we will cover how to save multiple variations of chart styles. Chart School for more education. Do you have questions about our indicators and overlays or want to dive deeper? Head to Chart School. It's our free educational hub with detailed articles on hundreds of indicators and overlays, including formulas, interpretations, and examples. Search for names of indicators and overlays you're unfamiliar with to learn more about them and see if you'd like to test them out on your charts. Chart School empowers you to experiment confidently and refine your approach while learning more about stock charts and investing. 3 tips for selecting indicators and overlays. Technical analysis works by providing objective signals to reduce emotional biases. The must-have tools on my charts allow me to analyze these 3 components. Tip 1. Visualize the trend. Choose overlays like moving averages to smooth price data and identify direction, like the parabolic SAR to spot potential reversals, or price channels to frame highs and lows. Great for confirming if a stock is in an uptrend or a downtrend before entering a position. Tip number 2. Visualize volume. Add volume overlays directly on the price or volume oscillators in a separate panel. These highlight trading activity surges, helping you confirm if a price move has strong backing or is likely to fizzle out. Tip 3. Visualize relative strength. Use indicators like the RSI to gauge momentum and overbought or oversold levels, or the scooter lines to compare a stock's performance against peers. Ideal for spotting leaders or laggards in your watch list. See how indicators and overlays elevate your sharp charts? They're simple to add, but transform your analysis from basic to pro level. Next, in step 5, chart styles and style buttons. I'll show you how we use our StockCharts custom features to organize your charts using various settings on different charts and speed up your workflow by easily clicking through those settings. Thanks for step 4. I'll see you in step 5.